In this video, we will take a look at jogg.ai, a tool that uses AI avatars to create realistic looking video ads for your product or for your website in a matter of minutes. So if you don't want to pay an influencer and if you don't want to stay in front of the camera yourself, this might be a viable alternative. I will show you how to create a video ad step by step, and then we will take an honest look at the results and discuss what we can realistically use this for. And I have to say that the technology has improved quite a bit over the last few years. You might be surprised what the AI can come up with nowadays. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve your life and business. Okay, the first step is of course to create an account. If you want to try out the tool yourself, I put a link to it into the video description. The free tier is fully functional. You can create up to 3 videos with it, but they will have a watermark. To get rid of the watermark, you will have to get a paid plan. We will take a look at the pricing later. And this right here in the middle is the core feature of jogg.ai. Here we can enter a URL of a website, and this will generate a video ad for this website in just a few steps. Let's try it out. Let's say I want to create a video ad for esn.com, which is a supplement company. I'm not affiliated with them, I just use them as an example. Then we click on Analyze the URL. Here in the first step, it already extracted images from the website. When we take a look at esn.com, we can find these same images here, and the AI just extracted some of them and we can select them here. So I'm gonna unselect a few because we don't want to use all of them in our video. There we go. I want to focus on the ones that actually show a product and not a person. Then we click on confirm. On this screen, it extracted the product name and the product description from the website. You can make changes to this. You can also enter a target audience. This is already entered because I used the same product earlier. If this is empty, just fill this out yourself. You can also upload additional media like images and even videos. And important, at the bottom, we can configure this video. First, we can select the aspect ratio. We want to create a vertical video for a site like TikTok. We can set the length of the video, let's try 30 seconds. And we can even change the language. I'm gonna keep English, but this can also generate videos in other languages. Then we click on next. Then we get different AI generated scripts to choose from, and this is probably the point where you want to invest a little bit of effort, because AI generated text doesn't sound great in my opinion. It tends to be too fluffy and too bland, so you might want to customize this, which you can do by clicking on edit. I will keep the default just to save time. We can choose a template, but I want to start from scratch. And now comes the coolest part, so it already generated a bunch of different variations. Let's check it out.
Struggling to meet your fitness goals with your current supplements? Lacking energy and essential nutrients?
Before we continue, let's customize this because this is not optimal yet. First of all, I want to pick this template where we can see the AI influencer and our images at the same time. I also want to change the avatar to a more fit looking person. I think this one here is very fitting. And by the way, these avatars are all AI generated. Those are not real people, and we can even generate our own avatars from a text description. And the results are really good. I will show you how to do this later in the video, so make sure to watch this all the way to the end. Okay, let's check this out. And one thing you have to keep in mind is that the lips will be synchronized after the video is rendered. So don't worry if this looks weird right now, because the lips of the AI and the text don't match, but they will match after rendering the video. And this is what we got now.
Struggling to meet your fitness goals with your current supplements? Lacking energy and essential nutrients impacts your workout performance. ESN supplements offer protein power, snacks, vitamins, and creatine. These features provide the energy and nutrients you need daily.
Now, one thing that's really important here is that the text that the AI speaks is synchronized with the images that are shown. So it doesn't just randomly mix images and text, it creates a coherent story that makes it look much more realistic, and I have to say this is really good. Let's also add some music. Here in this music tab, we have different options available. I think this one is fitting and the volume adjusts automatically. Let's check this out.
Struggling to meet your fitness goals? Enhance your bodybuilding and fitness journey with ESN's powerful formula. Feel stronger, recover quicker, and achieve your health goals efficiently.
Already much better, and we can even change the voice. But I think the default voice is already pretty fitting. Now you can play around with this, try different avatars, different templates. And the cool thing is that we don't pay any credits before we render the video. So we could even start over from scratch, generate new texts, new videos, and we still wouldn't have paid a credit. This is good because you can try out different combinations and you only pay when you're happy with the result. If you want to spend a bit more time, you can also use the quick edit or pro edit options. Let's check them out. Quick edit first. Here we can change the transitions between the different images, we can update the text, and we can change the layout. To customize this video, with the Pro Editor, you have even more options because this is a fully fledged video editor. So here you have control over pretty much everything. You can reposition elements, you can resize them, you can change text, media, layout, avatar, whatever you want. But if you want to spend as little time as possible, then just stick to these default options, which I think are already pretty decent. We also have this batch option to create multiple videos at once, but this only works with a paid plan, and then when everything looks good, we click on render, and this will generate the final videos, and we pay 1 credit for each video. On a free plan you have 3 credits, but the videos will have a watermark. Yeah, and after a few minutes of rendering, our video is ready. Let's check it out.
Struggling to meet your fitness goals with your current supplements? Lacking energy and essential nutrients impacts your workout performance. ESN supplements offer protein power,
As you can see, the lips are now synchronized.
snacks, vitamins, and creatine. These features provide the energy and nutrients you need daily. Enhance your bodybuilding and fitness journey with ESN's powerful formula. Feel stronger, recover quicker, and achieve your health goals efficiently. Join countless athletes transforming their fitness with ESN supplements today.
Okay, before we learn how to create custom avatars like these ones here, let's take a realistic look at our results. Some YouTubers will tell you that you can just crank out these AI generated videos, spam them on TikTok and generate a lot of money on autopilot. Of course, this is a pipe dream. If this was possible, these people would do it themselves. It might be possible if you have a very creative idea of how to use these AI avatars, but generally what you want to use this for is advertising an existing business. A tool like this is the cheapest way to get a quote-unquote influencer without actually having to pay for one, because they cost thousands of dollars. Also, if you have a product to promote, then you usually don't need tens of thousands of views to be profitable, you just need a few, so you have a few more people buying your stuff. For these cases, AI generated videos can be good enough, they are easy to make and cheap. But you probably still want to spend some time customizing the settings, selecting good images, and customizing the texts. And you also have to keep in mind that the AI will only improve from now. This will only get better and more realistic. Again, if you want to try it out yourself, the link is in the video description. What I showed you earlier are custom avatars. They are generated from a text prompt. Let's try this out as well. We can click on avatars, and here we can select between photo avatar and video avatar. With a video avatar, we can create a clone of ourselves, like this clone of me, but I cover this in a separate video, which you can watch afterwards. Here we will focus on photo avatars. And when we create a photo avatar, we can generate one from an upload or from a text. I want to create one from text. This is one I've created earlier. Let's ignore this and create a new one. The style, let's try professional this time. And then we can customize the age, gender, ethnicity. We can write details of how this person should look, what we should see in the background. Okay, this is what I came up with, and I tried to be specific to see how good the results are. So we will generate a European adult female. She's a pale, slim businesswoman with bright red hair and green eyes. In the background there is an office with businessmen sitting in there. We can see the city through windows and the area is well lit. And the talking position of the lady is hands on hips, confident. Let's try this out. Generate. There we go, this is exactly our description. Then we can pick one of them and click on generate emotion. This will put movement into this image. Let's try this out as well. Okay, and now we get a preview of this. This doesn't have any sound yet, but this is how she will move. Looks pretty realistic. Only the people in the background don't move, and maybe there are a lot of lamps here, but I think overall it looks really nice. But before we can use our custom avatar, we have to click on create avatar. Give it a name, I don't know, Michelle is a fitting name. After filling out the fields, we can select a voice. I keep the default voice, click on confirm, and it creates my new avatar. Okay, what can we do with our new custom avatar? We can either use it in a video generation in place of the stock AIs, or what is also really cool is we can give it a text to speak it. Let's try this out as well. We can click on photo avatar, but Michelle hasn't finished generating yet, so let me use the other avatar that I also created earlier. Then we can give him a text to say. Okay, this is what I came up with. Listen buddy, AI is the future, and if you don't use AI tools in your life and business, you're gonna get left behind. That's why you should subscribe to AI Tool Corner and stay up to date. And then we can configure this, we keep it vertical, we can decide if we want to keep the background or remove it, and we can enable subtitles. Let's try this out. 1 credit. Okay, let's see what we got.
Listen, buddy, AI is the future. And if you don't use AI tools in your life and business, you're going to get left behind. That's why you should subscribe to AI Tool Corner and stay up to date.
Yeah, I think this looks pretty good. The lips are in sync. We can give it any text that we want, and this opens up a lot of creative possibilities. Okay, let's also take a quick look at the pricing. So as I mentioned, the free account allows you to create up to 3 videos and videos up to 30 seconds. And these videos have a watermark. The cheapest plan is Starter, this is what I'm using right now, and that gives us 10 credits per month. If you want to develop something around it, they also provide an API with different pricing. Again, if you want to try this out yourself, the link is in the video description. And also watch the video where I create a clone of myself using jogg.ai. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews, and take care.